back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to be introducing another one of our videos. In today's video, we're going to be going through the full event that we're heading over to. We're heading over to the Sharnbrook to meet the team at the Cannon Run plus Petrol Hedonism. We're filming today for May TV for a new show that's going to be live on your screens very, very soon. What it is called is Spotting Supercars of London. So make sure you stay tuned to that. As soon as that's live on TV, we're going to be posting that on our socials. So make sure you follow us on all of our other platforms that we've got, Instagram, Facebook and whatnot. So in today's video, I'm going to be mostly heading over to the event and then showcasing exactly what you guys are missing. It's a completely closed event. It's only invite only, no spectators are allowed. So I'll be filming the whole event for you guys so you can see exactly what went on today. Obviously everything is fully COVID compliant with the event being outdoors, plus we've actually got permission from May TV, full letters of every single driver and passenger that's going to the event that we're allowed to host these sorts of events, plus also attend. So without further ado, we're going to be heading over to the event very shortly and I'll be showcasing the whole event for you guys, so stay tuned to the very end, guys. Thank you very much for watching and hit the subscribe button below. Guys, we're at the event, we're about to pull up. I just want to show you how Target Blue Eye works. As you can see, there's a police officer just there communicating on the network, and exactly that, we've got it live directly on Target Blue Eye, completely integrated into our, and that is what Target Blue Eye is. It's an emergency service warning device, and it even can tell when communication on the network is happening. So we've arrived at the Sharnbrook, and basically what we're going to be going through is all the cars that are here, walking around, showing you exactly what we've got in store. So it's a fully COVID compliant event. The police are on site. This is one of Jay Cannon's cars. We've got his Defender, which we're actually taking back today to add in a load of more upgrades, so stay tuned for that, and that's all going to be ready for spring break event. So as you can see, complete array of cars from supercars, SUVs. We've got a T5 over there, absolutely complete mix of everything. Really cool event. And we're heading around DMOs here. We've got loads and loads of celebrities here. So we've got the 600 LT McLaren. We've actually got quite a few McLarens here today. As you see in the background, we've got Matt Armstrong's vehicle, which is the Maserati over there, which just got unveiled today with the Liberty Walk body kit. We've also got the Honda NSX, a really cool bit of kit. Plus we've got a complete array of cars. So the boys at Centurion are here, so if you are interested in buying a new vehicle, make sure you go check out Centurion. They do some awesome bit of kit. Lamborghini Performante that we did a system in. So what this car's got is Audison Thesis 6.5-inch drivers in the front. As you can see just there, you've got the Audison Prima sub that we custom built a sub box to basically form into the footwell. Really cool design. Took a lot of work to get that into that location. What we've also done is in here behind stock location inside there, we've got the Miele Legend tweeter, basically a complete relatively stock look system. And then inside the actual bonnet here at the front, we've got the Hertz Miele Power 5 amplifier and also an Audison BitNova processor. Really spectacular system, so really happy with how this one came out. Customers over the moon. We've just caught up with the car, just gone through how it sounds, and he goes, he absolutely loves it. So really happy to meet all of our customers that are here today, going through exactly, just getting a bit of an update on how their system's been, how our systems that we've installed is performing after months and years after doing them. So really proud to be showcasing this, and we're going to be heading around checking out some of the other absolutely awesome cars that we've got here today. So just walking you around our Mustang, we've just added in our new Autovolt storage stickers on there. We've got custom A-pillars in this, Target Blue Eye, which goes through all basically emergency service vehicles. In the back here we've got Audison Thesis amp running Audison Thesis front end. Then we've got two amplifiers on the side, two Hertz Miele Pro subs here, everything retrimmed in Alcantara to custom A-pillars, loads of work, full soundproofing system on this as well. So guys, what do you think of the Lamborghini SV with these got yellow sort of indents? Really nice how it matches with the calipers, and then the stripes. Interior, look at those door cards, full carbon. And we've got the Sentinel system in there, so these Lamborghinis can still be upgraded with a new sound system. So, but these are really cool cars. So the SV to the SVJ, there's quite a few differences on them, but this looks really nice. I believe this is actually a sticker of the SV. You can get these painted on. So this is DMO's new vehicle, absolutely savage. Just look at that number plate as well. So really cool bit of kit this. So congratulations to him. In terms of other cars that are here, We've got literally a complete variety from all your Porsches that are here, McLarens. The level of cars that are here is absolutely incredible. So really cool event. We've just eaten our food for the day, so if you haven't been to one of these events, make sure you do. Make sure you come by, check out Petrol Hedonism. It's a really cool event. They put on some great music, they put on some great events. Food is always absolutely amazing, plus the level of cars is absolutely sublime as well. So literally, I think going around spotting all the cars that we've actually done work on. So this has just come out of our workshop, just having 2 subs fitted behind the seats. Then we also installed the light bar onto the top of it. What we're doing on this is something rather cool. We're actually taking this back to the workshop today to install some more equipment for the Cannon Run. So we've got quite a few of the cars making a move. So the black Performante that we did a system in is moving away right now. Quite a few of the cars leaving. We're going to be doing a drive out very shortly. First batch is already going out on the road. So just check this out. Look at the number of cars here. Some insane sounds. What a quality event. Really enjoyed today.